Hello, kindergartners. I am really excited to read you this book. It is called 12 Ways to Get to 11, written by Eve Merriam and illustrated by Bernie Carlin. And on the back, it's got a number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, blank, 12. We fill in the missing number at school. What is missing? What happened to 11? Let's find out what happened to 11. Okay, 12 ways to get to 11. Now we know that we can write numbers like this. And we also know that numbers can be represented by words. 1, 2, 3. So this book starts by showing us numbers represented by words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, blank, 12. Where's 11? There's a question mark because this is an asking sentence. Where's 11? Pick up 9 pine cones from the forest floor and 2 acorns. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pine cones plus 2 acorns. So I'm going to count on. We're at 9, 10, 11. And I can write that as a math equation. So I'm going to do that on the board. Let's get my eraser ready so I have room to write these math problems. So we had 9 pine cones plus 2 acorns equals 11. We already know that 9 plus 1 more equals 10, because if we hold up 9 fingers and add 1 more, that would be 10, but we're adding 2 more, so that makes 11. We can't do that on our hands. We would need maybe some toes, or if we drew a picture, and this book has pictures to help us with this math, which makes it super fun. Let's see more ways to make 11. At the circus, 6 peanut shells and 5 pieces of popcorn. Okay, so 6 plus 5 also is a way to make 11. The sum that we're working with, the total, is 11. So we know that 5 plus 5 is 10, but there's 1 more to make 11 because it's 6 plus 5, not 5 plus 5. Out of the magician's hat, 4 banners, 5 rabbits, a pitcher of water, and a bouquet of flowers. Now, when we are in kindergarten, we usually add 2 groups, but just so you have a sneak preview into first grade and higher grades, you can add more than 2 groups together and see what the sum is. Find out what the total is. So this says 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. Let's see what that equals. So we start with 4, but we add 5 more. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so that's another way to make 11. I just love this story. Go past 4 corners and 2 traffic lights, then past the house with the 2 chimneys and the garage with 2 cars and a bike. Now look, you're at 11th Street. 6 bites, a core, a stem, and 3 apple seeds. Okay, so 6, one more. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 1 more is 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 different things. On the boat are 2 masts, 1 big and 1 little sail, 4 life preservers, a flag, a ladder, and an anchor. So you can count all the parts of the boat to get to 11 on that page. 3 turtles sleeping, 2 frogs swimming, 1 lily pad, and 5 dragonflies darting on top of the pond. So they're showing 11 in so many different ways. The jack-o'-lantern has a cutout nose and eyes and 4 teeth on the top row and 4 teeth on the bottom row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In the mailbox, 7 letters, 2 packages, a mail order catalog, and a picture postcard. So many different ways to make 11. Ooh, this page is fun. 3 sets of triplets. Now, triplet has try in it. Now, try means 3 in math talk. And I know that because a tricycle has 3 wheels, and a triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. And triplets are 3 babies born to the same family on the same day. And then twins, 2 babies. So I'm going to count the triplets by 3, and then I'm going to add the 2 twins. 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. And we've got some triplets and friends that have twins in their families. Layla and Ariana are twins. That is super special. A sow and 10 baby piglets. So 10 plus the mama equals 11. In the hen yard, 5 eggs, 3 cracking open, 2 beaks poking out, and 1 just hatched. How exciting. There are so many ways to make 11, and I love all the ways that this story showed us. We did some math equations and some dots for pictures to help us add to a sum of 11. Great work, everyone.